Hey, what's up guys? Harrington here. Happy Fursuit Friday. Today we're going to be starting a new series called Species Spotlight. In this series we're going to talk about a species and what makes them an awesome choice for your persona. If you want to vote on what species we do next, then make sure you check out my Patreon page, because my patrons get to vote on what species is next. So this week for the first episode of the series, we're going to be covering my species: rabbits, hares, and bunnies. Now I'm going to be using all three of those because they are so similar. So if you want to find out what makes this such an awesome species, then sit back, relax, and make sure you like the video, and let's get right on into our first species spotlight. Now again, for simplicity's sake, I'm going to be using the term rabbits to refer to hares, bunnies, and the rabbits themselves. All three certainly have differences that make them unique, but the general idea remains, so for simplicity's sake, we're just going to be calling them all rabbits. In this series, what we'll do is first discuss what qualities make the species appealing and what famous personas draw their inspiration from other famous characters. Famous characters who are rabbits include obviously Bugs Bunny, Roger Rabbit, Lola Bunny, Cream, and Vanilla from Sonic, as well as Max from Sam & Max. Rabbits can be found all over the world, from the hottest deserts to the coldest tundras, and as you might imagine, this makes them a very diverse species with a variety of looks and abilities. Now this means that your character can look just about however you want them to. So go crazy and be creative. Rabbits, in a physical sense, are often very fast, agile, and perceptive. They react quickly to danger, and some species can even box. This lends itself to a variety of athletic pursuits and all sorts of cartoony antics. Personality-wise, rabbits are often highly social. They can be a little grumpy and a little crazy. That being said, feel free to play your character the way you want to, because it is your character. These are just my personal observations. There are tons of reasons to pick a rabbit as your persona. For me, I actually found this head on Facebook and it looked pretty high quality and it was affordable. And so I got the rights to the character along with the head itself, and the rest, as they say, is history. But I did reach out to other rabbit personas on Twitter and I asked them why they chose that particular species, and they got back to me with their responses. It's Griffin replied that they have tons of energy, they're social, and extremely affectionate. Rabbits also happen to be his favorite animal, so it was an easy pick for him. Native Rabbit Natsu said they're Native American, and in their tribe they're related to the Rabbit clan, so they chose a rabbit since it's something that's so closely tied to their identity. Max Snow Bunny told me that it's because he just likes being fluffy and adorable, which, fair. Fnook the Bunny, who by the way is awesome, go check out their YouTube page if you haven't, he told me that just like himself, Flemish giants are not to be underestimated and not what you'd expect them to be, and that's very much suits him. So as you can see, there are several different reasons to choose this species as a character. You can certainly embody the popular notion of the species, or you can buck the trend and be a misfit. It is all up to you. So there you have it. Do you have a rabbit persona already? Or after watching this video, are you planning on creating one? Let me know down in the comments below. But that's going to do it for this week's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And I want to give a big thanks to my awesome patrons, Floofy Mint, Sobul Hazi, and Sasha Fennec. You guys are awesome, and I really appreciate that you support me in my creative pursuits. And if you want to support my channel and vote on the next species spotlight, then consider becoming a patron today. I'll have a link down in the description, and I'm going to post polls about what species y'all want to see next in Species Spotlight. But make sure you like and subscribe to the video if you enjoy this kind of content, so that we can keep this channel growing. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.